In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or change your GoDaddy account password. If you need to update your password for security reasons, or you simply want to create a new one that's easier to remember. The process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually where your personal account options and settings are stored. Click on your profile to open the available menu. From there, select Account Settings. This section contains the main controls for your account, including preferences, login details, and security options. After you open Account Settings, look for the Security section and click on it. This is where GoDaddy keeps the tools related to protecting your account. Inside the security area, click on Password. This will take you to the place where you can reset or change your current password. At this stage, carefully enter your new password in the required field. Make sure you choose a password that you will remember, but also one that is strong enough to help protect your account. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid using anything too simple or easy to guess. As you type, double-check for spelling errors or accidental spaces, since even a small mistake can cause login problems later. If the system asks you to confirm the new password, enter it exactly the same way a second time. This helps make sure there are no typing mistakes before saving the change. Once you're done, click Save. After that, your new password should be updated, and you'll use it the next time you sign in to your GoDaddy account. It's a good idea to store your password somewhere safe so you don't forget it. If you use a password manager, this can be a helpful place to save it securely. And that's it. That's how to reset or change your GoDaddy account password. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to update your password in just a few moments.